Some people stereotype me as a typical boy who doesn't care about grades and spends his time doing drugs and drinking alcohol, but that's not true. You see her? Well, that's my girlfriend. Sorry, I meant my ex. They say you don't love someone because they're perfect, but love them because they're not. But the fact is, she didn't love me at all. I don't know what to do. Do I let her go or keep fighting? What did I do to deserve this? I always treated her well and made her happy. I guess that is enough these days. Now what I want more than anything in the world is to feel nothing at all. Have no feelings is the best way to go sometimes. For the first time, I just want to make myself happy and nobody else. Should I go for it?